Hi, my name is Cindy Rang.
And I'm Brianna Matzias, and today is our Wednesday box opening. Okay,
All right.
so
I should mention something really fast. I burnt myself with the iron this morning. Ooh, can they see that?
oh yeah, and I had to
And I
remind
was
her.
whining, and guess what? Wait, oh! I'm sorry, was I stepping on your tail? Oh, I was stepping on her tail.
Oh,
Sorry,
she
needs it. She did. She's all up in my business. Anyway, we sprayed it with the Alleviate.
Yeah, I had to remind her.
That I had burn cream, which I was thinking like icy ice, and I did put some ice on it, but yeah, huge difference. So, anyway.
The iron jumped out of nowhere. And
Yeah. Sorry, honey.
you're fine. No box.
I'm not fine now that you're opening a box. So we have, we're gonna do 3 boxes, a bunch of some clearance kits, clearance panels, and some shop samples.
All right,
More.
glue sticks, refills. We were really out of
Oh yeah,
refills.
the refills.
Oh, and more of these bad boys came in. So these are
Oh yeah.
Bonnie Sullivan's other ones.
I should go get, I should get the finished one of that while you show them what's in there.
And then there's a Christmas, I will honor Christmas in my heart. There's a really cute one. Again, it's that printed panel, same as what we showed last week. So you get the printed panel, and her pattern tells you things you can do. So it gives you the directions to do the top hat, whatever extra stitching, adding from French knots, whatever you want to just jazz it up a little bit just for you.
And this one is super adorable. So this one, again, same idea. So it's printed, and I don't know if you can tell that this was added. This is wool, and the green is wool. That's printed. And then the brown is wool. That's printed. Put the button on there. And then all of the directions. And then on the inside, there's another printed part. And a little pocket here, and then there's a little pocket here, a little pocket here, and it even comes with a little needle case. It comes with this. Just put your little piece of wool in there. So anyway, it's super, super adorable. So that's what this one is. Same idea, not just Christmas stuff.
That's what it was for.
Yeah.
And then the no math quick chart.
Yeah.
Little book.
Sometimes there's brand new things, but lately it's just been
A lot of reorder
restock of things. And what happens is when you go look on the website and you don't see it on there, right? That's what happens.
Right.
Is it's because we're just sold
When
out.
it gets turned to 0, it goes away. It disappears. I wish I could make some things like all notions. I wish I could just show out of stock at the moment, and all fabric just go away. But I can't categorize that to show and not show.
Yeah.
Oh, this might have notions
Ooh, a heavy one.
Well, also might have notions in it too.
Oh, you know what it probably is the other things that we run out of all the time. Rotor Cutters. And what else?
Oh, this. Oh yeah, rotary cutters.
Rotary Cutters. Oh, yeah, lots
In
of
both
rotary cutters.
sizes.
So the 60-inch wide and the 45.
What else is in here? Oh, there's some books down there.
Oh, that's good.
Carolyn's Bargella books. She asked me for these.
Oh, more of these. These came in and went out instantly.
The dome
Dome threaders.
And then Bargello. So Carolyn, CK Peaches, she's our go-to Bargello expert. And these are one of her 2 favorite books to do her patterns from, or if she does classes from. Either of these are really good options. So if you're enjoying Bargellos, need a new Bargello book, these are Carolyn's top choices.
And then the Hugo's Amazing Tape. Ooh. It comes in 1/2 inch, 1 inch, and 2 inch. Yeah. And the way that we use this in multiple ways, but one
They all
thing
have a
that we
little-
do is, oh, are they all? Oh, they kind of like popped open. Well, this one has already been taped, so it's obviously popped open a couple times.
Packaging.
But, right?
These are obviously the ones that we're not showing on Shark Tank. I don't know. Oh, they're not. They're the old ones.
Ah. But what you can do, so it only sticks to itself is how it works. And so what you can use it for is wrapping up projects, or we use it on thread. Are you grabbing a spool of thread that has it?
Oh, I was gonna grab the sample for that next time.
Oh, it's sample for this. Oh, yeah. So if you just have a spool of thread, wool, or something that doesn't have a little notch in it to hold your thread, just cut off a piece of that, and it wraps around and it only sticks to itself. So it's kind of cool. I had to get my husband his own package of it because he was constantly stealing mine. So, all right. And then, she went to get, more freezer paper. And you can use regular Reynolds wrap freezer paper, or Reynolds freezer paper from the store. But what's nice about this is it's a little bit thicker, a little bit more wax, so you can reuse it multiple times. And the other really nice thing is it's 8.5 by 11, so you can run it through your printer. So that's what makes it a little bit different. You went to get this?
Yes, the Fold and Stitch Wreath. So what it uses is Bozel, the Soft and Stay foam scrap pieces in there, and it makes this 3-dimensional little wreath that you can either hang, or I think it's really pretty on the table with a candle in there. But yeah, that's that pattern.
Very pretty.
It's pretty cool.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, even hanging. Yeah, there's some good pictures of it. It's pretty cool.
Mm-hmm. I think so.
All right, that's a heavy box.
That's that one.
I've stepped on her twice, so now she just left.
Well, that's how I go. Okay, here's one.
Fabric?
Yeah, it might be.
I'm gonna let you. I don't know why I have this thing.
All right. Oh, yes, it is.
Flannel. This is the flannel that goes with the flannel we showed on Friday. What was the name of it?
Snow Days.
Snow Days. And the panels for Snow Days are gone, but there's still a lot of really,
so nice.
really,
it's shadow
really
play.
nice flannels that go with it. Shadow play is so nice. Yeah.
And these are just flannel. They'll coordinate with if you got some, or if you're still thinking you want to make something. They're just some tonal pieces. So that
this
really
one, does it tell the thread color?
No, it's just red.
Red.
And this one is like a medium gray.
Gray.
We got another border print piece.
And this is the same one. This was just a second bolt of it.
Yeah, just second bolt. Black. Again, this is like a marbled black, so there is a little bit of marbling in there. It's not just a solid black flannel.
See that? And it's so soft. I think Maywood flannel is the best flannel on the market, I think.
Kind of an
It's just
olive
thick,
green.
thick.
And a nice little kind of parchment.
And the reason they call it woolies is because sometimes truly you can't tell the difference between wool and their flannel. It's just so thick and nice. Yeah. This one will go fast.
Yeah, I think so. And it's the same color as like the snowman on the panel.
Yeah.
We did get a panel.
Well, that was fast. 3 boxes of new stuff, mostly notions.
Yeah.
Some flannel. All right, so let's do the clearance. And you have other stuff that's already in clearance.
Yeah, that we've slowly been doing in there. Yeah.
So show them.
So these are the first ones. So for the Christmas, I've got this So Fun. So it's this really cute pattern, and we put in with the pattern the panel. So the middle, this part, this is the panel, and then the bunch of appliques and piecing. We put the panel in there so that you didn't have to
So
miss.
it's a panel and a pattern, not a kit.
Correct. Panel and pattern. And then there are a few just rogue panels for you. I think there's like
really
3
cute.
additional panels or so left over. So there's that one. And then this is a different one.
Is that one different?
Then there's this guy. Only a couple of these guys. They're pretty cute though.
Oh, those are really cute.
Oh, little snowmen doing fun things.
Oh, I like this one. Oh. I think everyone wants to eat his carrot nose.
Right?
These are cute.
Okay, so those panels.
So these are just only in clearance because all the fabric is gone.
Oh yeah, there's no coordinates for it. I have to say though, for this one there are a few coordinates. I think I have 3 that I'll show you that go with this. But it's all that's left, and I needed them, so they had to go. Unfortunately, so. Okay, here is
Clarence Christmas.
So these are the 3 pieces that will coordinate with that panel and pattern clearance piece. We've got a white polka dot with our red cardinals, a white, green, and red houndstooth, and then this aqua background with the red cardinals. So those.
And that goes with this one.
No. The one that comes, this one, that comes with, you can get it with a pattern.
Oh, I got you.
Goes with this guy. Okay, so that one. And then some other Christmas ones. I've got these fun words. It says blizzard, cheer, homemade cookies, snow, love, much fun. Black with an antique white. And then this kind of fun aqua-y with a cream. And then some more words. So it's a green background, and it just says, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. We can do some snow. This pilum is on fire. There's 3 around there.
Yeah.
The Colville Reservation is hitting it hard. And this one's just empty. This one's kind of fun. It's just empty labels. You can cut it apart and do labels on a quilt. We used to do it where we put it on the back like an apron and do it for if someone's doing a wedding in the winter, and people could put best wishes. They could write down recipes, you know, something cool that you could put on the back of an apron that makes it a little more meaningful. Everybody can sign something.
Yeah. A kitchen tip.
There you go. This one's a white background.
Words.
More words. It's a wordy kind of thing.
She's sick of the words.
So these are this is the only thing left of it, and the colors are a little strange. You got the lime green, the Christmas green, the bright red, the kind of barn red. So the colors are a little different. They're very modern color, modern text words, but that was all that was left of that one. Same thing with our bright green.
That one is so stinking cute.
No, nothing about this color green. Crazy.
Cute.
And this is like a parchment with some bright white and gold tossed.
Is that gold metallic or is it gold?
It's just gold colored. There's no metallic on it.
No metallic, but it's a very gold.
It's very gold. And then these are springy.
Oh, cute.
These are springy.
More words.
I know. Little boat beep. This is a green check with little blue flowers in there. And then these are words that say the nursery rhyme. That's pretty cute. In red, green, and blue.
Cute.
And it's striped directionally. It's along the selvage. So you really could do a really cute border on some little person's quilt or a quick brighter colors. Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's new-ish goodness in clearance.
And you put stuff on clearance. There's other new stuff.
Yeah, I put it on throughout the
day
week.
long.
Yeah, if I clean, when I'm done cleaning for the day, I'll take my little stack and I'll clearance that. So I just take off some of the fun stuff I can show you.
And I think the ones that she decides to show you guys are the ones that there's enough that, you know, one person isn't going to get it. Well, I mean, maybe it just depends if you want it for backing or whatever.
Yeah.
But there's enough. They're big enough bolts that it's okay to see it. Yeah, and so these are some of the shop samples. These are really cute. I almost pulled this out to keep this because these are really cute. But these are flannel, and they're flannel pajamas with a pocket, and they are, it's a drawstring. So, you know, and they're, in terms of size, you know, they're I don't know, what size would you say they are?
Probably a large.
Medium,
probably a size 8, 10. 8 to 10.
Oh, probably 10, 12.
10, 12?
Yeah. Well, I don't know.
10, 12.
We don't know. We promise nothing, but yeah, 10, 12 maybe.
Yeah.
And then it comes with a matching drawstring.
And these
tote.
are supposed to be capris. So when you get them at home, you're like, oh my gosh, what is happening?
Oh yeah, they
are really capri pajamas.
Yeah, they really are.
So no, or you grew a couple inches, whatever you want.
Yeah, yeah. They don't have to worry about hemming anything. So this is a flannel tote bag. So there's no pocket on the inside, but it's enough for like, you know, little sleepover at Nana's or whatever.
Yeah.
And it has the drawstring side.
And these are going to be together. You get pajamas and the bag.
Yeah. And then this is Deb Snyder's pattern, and this is just a little, what did she call it? A simple bag or something like that?
Maybe.
So the idea is if you just wanted to carry just your cell phone and a credit card or something.
Now that it's quilt show
slip it
season
over.
and people are actually doing quilt shows this year, these are perfect.
And that's what it was. So this one is just a brown and red one. And this one has some machine embroidery on it, which is kind of cute. And the machine embroidery, if somebody asks, that's something that's loaded on the FAF machine, right? Comes with their FAF
maybe.
purchase?
Probably.
I think it does, because I think Bert has put that one together.
This is actually for an aught light. If you guys have
to
been
retreat.
quilting for a while and have an aught light, this fits perfectly. Puts your traveling light in there. You can stick everything in there. The light, the cord, it has a nice little magnetic snap closure and a handle. So
if
can
you
put
go
anything
to
in there.
retreat, you like to take it with you, because wherever you go doesn't have good lighting, unlike
Yeah, it's our place.
our place. But
Or you can fit anything else. I mean, it could be anything else you wanted to put in
Sure.
there. You totally could. You could just throw your rotary cutter and your straight, you know, you can just throw things in there.
anything.
Be a little surprise
Well, almost
bag.
anything.
Yeah.
Another bag.
A cute little knitting bag, a little tote size bag. On the inside it has 3 pockets on both sides. So 3 on here and 3 on the other side. It has all knitting stuff on it, which is kind of cute. So if you need a quick little knitting
And I
bag.
think it's the
or if you
Fiji
just-
Tote is, I think, what it really is. If you really want to make your own out of your own colors, it is a Fiji Tote.
And it has a stiff lining in here, a stiff stabilizer in there. It's not the foam one, but it still is stiff enough that you really could, it does hold its form, so you could use it for a regular bag or as a craft bag. And then our one little quilt for this time is a nice little fun bright one. I think it's like 36 by 45. I forget what the measurement was. But it's this one with a really fun bright
Yeah,
work on it.
really cute fabric.
So, really fun.
Yeah.
So that's
right.
the quilts.
All right.
All right, that was
Yes,
everything.
it is. Super
Short and
fast. Short and sweet.
All right. Get you out before the sun goes down. You can put some weeds, water some flowers. You got hours left now.
See you guys
right,
Friday morning.
bye.
Bye.
Thank you for watching our video. We invite you to leave a comment, hit the like button, or better yet, subscribe to our channel so you never miss an episode. You can also visit our Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, or Pinterest pages, or find all of those things and our online store at fabricpatch.net.
Okay, they want to know who you are.
Think for a minute.
Ma quiero.
Ma quiero.